Hey guys, what's up? It's Chloe's Cooking Corner back. Tonight, my mum's gonna make honeycomb for you tonight, so I'm gonna be behind the camera. Back! Now my mum's gonna watch
Okay,
this.
so now it's telling me to put into some bicarb around the blades. Okay, and now I've got to quickly stir.
See how it's popping up, guys?
Got to really stir it, and then I'm going to put it into the container.
Okay.
That's really hot sugar there. Sorry if you can't see past the bowl. You'll see in a second, guys.
Oh,
And that is
honeycomb!
and we'll show you when we make it chocolate coated into violet crumble.
We're gonna be cutting the crumble. We've already done it a bit. Okay, so let's go. That's what it looks like.
I'm going to coat it in chocolate so it's like Crunchies.
This is the finishing result.
We have our beautiful hokey pokey, which now we'll put in the fridge and hope that Chloe doesn't eat it all.